Hello everyone, welcome to the Adroit Things. Today let's see how we can call functions in C Sharp from C++. So let's go ahead and create a new C Sharp project. So it's a console application that runs in .NET Framework. So .NET Framework 4.7.2. Let's go ahead and change this to a class library and uh, set its output path to solution directory and configuration. Save it. Let's go back. Let's create a couple of functions, very simple functions. So this is going to be our extremely simple C# library. Let's go ahead and build it. Okay. Okay, so my build directory is wrong. So let's change that to here. Okay. Save it and let's build it. Okay, now let's create another C++ project that's going to act as a sort of mediator. This is going to use C++/CLI interface. Okay, this is going to be our mediator. So go into the properties and yeah, this is your output directory. That's correct. And you're going to be building a dynamic library here, and go to advanced, and you need to target you need to enable common language runtime support, and we're going to target 4.7.2. We apply. Okay, and come to reference, and we're going to add our C# DLL as a reference here. Okay, now let's start filling this up a little bit. So we're going to add a new header file. uh, let's not call it header, let's just change its name. So this will be our mediator function. For simplicity's sake, let's just have yeah, let's have like same kind of functions as we have over here. Okay, now let's add CPP file. Oh, sorry. And one more thing. So since we're going to be um, using this library as a DLL, we need to export this class into the DLL. So let's have a few helper functions for this. Okay, if def export define let's go ahead and define it in our preprocessor linker. Sorry, yeah. Let's go ahead and define it here. Export. Okay. Now that we have our C# test DLL referenced here already, let's try using this. In space, so it's C# test. Okay. Let's call it program. Okay, let's build it. Okay, to fix this error, go to the properties and change the conformance mode to no. Click apply, rebuild. Okay, so go back to the C# project and you need to make a class public and rebuild it. Go ahead and rebuild this too. Now that's 2 succeeded, and you need to come to our main project here, and you need to add the DLL of the mediator. So we do it like this. Go to linker. Yeah, so we're going to be linking the static library, and we add mediator.lib. Okay, and okay, we need to add a reference to that project. Mediator project. Go to main. Let's see if we can include our mediator header. Yes, we can. Okay, now that we can access our mediator, let's create a mediator object and call these 2 functions. Mediator call C# hello, and okay, let's build it. that worked. Um, yeah, let's try running it. Yeah, there you go.